Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh Ange.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. We are making a delicious breakfast treat because somebody got a new toy.
I did. I got a mini loaf pan and I love it.
He's been busy. He has been a mini loaf making a machine.
Let's see, I made what? Mini lemon loaves and
those
the
were
coffee
good.
cake mini
Yes.
loaves, which are delicious too. And so today we're going to be making pancake bread mini loaves.
What? Pancake bread? What is happening? So Josh Snyder, what is pancake bread?
Pancake bread is all the best parts of a pancake mixed together and put together into a bread or a mini loaf.
Mini loaf. Yeah, with like a little crumbly top.
Yes. I feel like all the mini loaves are better with a little topping. I don't know. That's just me though.
You love your toppings. And I love you for it because it makes them delicious. All right, what do we need to make pancake bread?
Okay, we're gonna start with the topping. So here's what you'll need to make the pancake bread topping. 4 tablespoons butter melted, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup flour. So to prepare the topping, you'll need to combine the butter, sugar, brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon. With a pastry cutter or a fork, mix until it's well combined. It should be dry and crumbly with a few pea-sized chunks in it. Okay, so now that the topping is mixed together, see how dry and crumbly it is?
With a few pea-sized chunks.
But we're gonna set this aside and start to make the actual pancake bread. The first thing we need to do is get the ingredients. So, Angela, what do we need to make pancake bread?
I'll tell you what you need to make pancake bread. 1½ cups flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 cup butter softened, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 cup buttermilk, 1/4 cup sour cream.
So the first step is to mix all the dry ingredients together. So we're gonna take the flour and then add all the other stuff to it.
Let me guess, we gotta mix until everything's really well incorporated.
That's right. Get all of the, baking soda and baking powder mixed thoroughly so everything rises evenly. It's funny, I feel like we haven't been here for a while.
Well, we haven't been in the kitchen. Well, I should say this. Josh has been baking all week.
Yeah, no, I've been baking mini loaves all week, and before that I did all these dips.
Josh has been doing a lot of cooking on his Insta stories, so you guys have to check that out. Our kids actually love the baking videos. They love to watch them. So they were like, "What? There's no baking video?"
No,
no, there will be next week. There will be.
They were really bummed. They're like, "You guys aren't gonna stop baking." And I'm like, "No,
we're not stopping baking.
Not at all. We just need to take a second and
take a minute." I think they like to watch them and laugh at us.
Yeah.
Because they snicker and giggle a lot. And I'm like, what are you guys laughing at?
Big dorky parents, yep.
But we're glad to be back.
Yep, and so we're gonna be doing every other week.
Every other week.
Until we get
caught up.
But I'm gonna be supplementing on Instagram lots of different recipes and trying to build the website up too, so you guys have more delicious recipes to cook.
All right, what's next?
Okay, so now we're going to get our hand mixer out.
Ooh.
Down there.
Okay.
Yep. We're gonna take the softened butter and we're going to blend it until it is very smooth.
I get real excited for the mixer.
All right, there you go.
Ready?
Mix it up.
Oh, what?
And again, when you soften the butter correctly, this shouldn't take long.
How long do I do it for?
You see how it looks really creamy now? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's about where you want to get it. So you're good. Now I'm going to add the sugar, and I'm going to slowly add the sugar while I'm mixing.
Okay.
It's kind of like patting your head and rubbing your tummy at the same time.
I'm glad you're doing it, not me.
Alright, so once the sugar is all in, just go ahead and make sure it's all incorporated. And you'll see it because it will start to get creamy again. So the butter and sugar are now combined. Now we're going to add the eggs, the vanilla, and special secret ingredient for pancake bread. You gotta have it. Maple syrup.
Maple syrup, and you taste it like when you bite into it.
Yep. I mean, it's kind of key for pancake bread. You need maple syrup.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of maple syrup, 1/2 cup. All right, so we'll go ahead and mix this together. Continue mixing this until all the little butter chunks are mixed in really well.
Okay.
All right, so that looks pretty good.
Okay.
All right. All right, so next we're gonna get the flour that we set aside.
Okay.
And we're going to add 1/2 of the flour mixture. So if you wanna go ahead and mix that up.
Okay.
On low speed.
Like that?
Yeah, that's great. Good job, baby.
Yay, I'm doing it!
Can I say I just love her new sweater, too? She got a new sweater, and I was like,
I got a new sweater.
it looks really good.
We live really exciting lives. We're like, ooh, new sweater.
Not only that, but it was on sale, I think.
It was on
too,
sale. It
which
was on
I
sale.
love even more. I love getting things on sale.
You do.
Alright, so go ahead and turn it off.
Okay.
And we'll go ahead and scrape down the sides. How's it taste so far?
Ooh, so good.
So far, so good. Alright, so now it's time for our next secret ingredient. I mean, you can't really have pancakes without this either, I feel.
What's
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk pancakes are the best pancakes in my opinion. So we're gonna put buttermilk in. If you don't have buttermilk, you can make your own buttermilk really easy. All you need is milk and white vinegar.
I didn't know
A
that.
little bit of white vinegar in your milk and voila, you have buttermilk. And next we're gonna add sour cream. Sour cream actually works very similar to buttermilk, but I feel like it gives it a little bit more softer texture in the end. So
All right.
that's why we're using it.
Okay, now mix.
Now mix that up, baby.
Okay.
All right, let me scrape down the sides here.
Okay.
So this is looking pretty good.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add the rest of the flour, and I'll go ahead and mix up the last part of it.
Yum.
Mix this flour till it's all combined, and that's gonna be it for the bread. And then we'll go ahead and put it into my new mini loaf.
Your mini loaf pan. Josh is like, I got a new mini loaf pan. I'm like, I got a new sweater. Anything can happen.
So now that we are done with the batter,
Okay.
we are going to grease our mini loaf. I prefer to use just like this baking spray. You just want to make sure that you use enough that it's easy release, okay?
Easy release.
Yeah, because you don't want to get these mini loaves stuck.
You don't, people. Don't get your mini loaf stuck.
Angela's going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Okay.
Now, you can use a spoon to do this. You can, put it in with a spoon, but I really like to...
He loves a gadget, you guys.
No, but this is like a reusable, pastry bag, which I love. So I'm gonna have you actually hold it.
Okay.
Put your finger on the bottom so it doesn't leak out. The reason I like to do this is because then you can get the exact amount of batter that you need, and it's really easy.
I would never in a million years use this thing or even know where to buy it, but I would just use a spoon.
You wanna fill the loaves about half full. Just go through and make sure that you get all of the loaves the same amount. And if you have to go back through and add a little bit more, that's fine. But this way it's really clean. You don't get like little messes all over.
Oh, babe, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, okay, babe?
So we filled up our mini loaves, and now it's time to add the topping. You want to put about, I don't know, be pretty generous with the topping, really, because some of it will soak into the dough. So you want to make sure you have enough on top to really taste it. All right, so now we're ready to put them in the oven, okay? So we're gonna put this in the oven for about 20 to 22 minutes. It depends on your oven, at 350 degrees.
Let's do it.
All right. So after the pancake bread is done baking, let it cool for about 5 minutes before serving.
And now, let's eat it.
Look how cute it came out.
So cute.
Right? All right, let's see how close we got to it tasting like a pancake. Mmm.
I think it's better than a pancake.
I gotta do too. It tastes like you dipped your buttermilk pancake in maple syrup.
We hope you're having a great day. Please check us out. We're going to be doing a video every other Sunday and lots of stuff on Josh's Insta story.
Yep.
Joshua Snyder. Check it out. We'll put it here.
Okay.
And our website. We're trying to build that website.
Yep.
So there's lots of great recipes out there for you guys. And please tag us when you make them.
Yes.
I love it so much.
We love it.
Makes us-
All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon. Thanks for baking with us. Mwah!
Bye.
Cooking out there. Cooking out there. Is that an expression?
Cooking out there,
He's
yes.
cooking out there. What is that? Cool.
Cool.
All right,
Baking's cool, man.
All right, cool. This is when our kids laugh. No,
Don't do drugs, bake.
Oh no. But people say baking is doing drugs. Like
What?
you bake, you get baked.
Oh. I get baked all the time. Baking. Yeah.
Such an old man joke. I mean, who's not excited about pancake bread? I don't want to know that person. You don't like pancake bread? Don't come over.
Did you guys miss us?
You miss us so much.
Totally missed us.